today we are showing this printer is scanning. So at first we are for the admin. This is the admin account 121625. You see, then need to password, user ID and password. Now we are enter also address. This is the printer portion. Now we need to one folder need to create anywhere in this app. Then right buttons need to share, properties, sharing. Then have the share policy, everyone, then right and right, then okay shares, then scan, then okay, and then settings, permissions, the need to the all permissions, change, then okay, apply, and okay, and check your network portion. Then have a sharing and a blocks, and we need to turn on, and just out the passwords, then okay, then close. Now we are finding this PC where in this networks. This one is the networks. How to come this one I show you. Go this desktop and go in here. You see the PC properties. What is the name? This one, H6H. Close 6H. This one. Then this is the scanning file. This is copy. I am pasting the note. Then SCAN. Then copy this one, scan. See, no need this one, just need. We are giving the user's name also. What is the username? Now we copy the go these browsers and have a 9 box. I am using this one, no register. Okay, this is the FTP, then okay. Username, see, username is Arifs. Then host, we will begin. Host this one, desktop, copy, paste. Then path of folders, copy, paste. Username, password, no need. Name, then okay, password, no need. Then click OK. Now you are checking this folder is coming or not. This is the noise. Go to scanner. Now scanning is coming. Address book. Arifs, this is the name. Apply, scan, black and white. Let's see. This ending has been check the job blocks. You see, we are giving a scan, the blank page. is coming. So again check that have a coming or not. I'm giving this page, I'm giving the scan, and here then again go address book, arrange, applies, then colors, then send. Okay, now we're giving this one, you see paper is saved, then scanning is done. Thank you.